This is Makita subcompact brushless cordless impact driver, and I love this tool. I'll be using this tool for more than 5 years, and basically use it like daily use. Sometimes using it for a full day, and sometimes use only a couple minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you why this is my favorite impact driver and why I recommend it. The size is so small, so lots of people maybe think that it's 12 volts. No, this is 18 volts. So it delivers the same power as a regular size impact. So it can drive a bigger lug nuts into the 4x4, 4x6, no problem at all. And it gives a lots of power, but from a very small body. I usually don't like to use the small battery. I just feel like using a bigger battery is no problem at all. And if you put a bigger battery in, and the weight is more in the bottom, so it's very easy to hold. If you put a smaller battery in, the center point is probably just right here. So it's very balance made. So right here, it have like a soft start or gradually start. So when you drive a screw in, so the first couple should be like a little bit slower, and then once it's in, it feels the resistance and going to hammer it. So if you push this one, it gives you a soft start. Like this, it's very gentle. If you go this, so it's the full speed. I like this tool. I use it like a basically every day. I don't carry a drill anymore because a lot of drill function can be replaced by the smaller tool like this one, the impact driver. So for my many years of renovation, I basically just carry this tool and circular saw and other small tools. I never carry a drill with me. So I found it can totally finish my work without the drill. So if you're looking for a daily use impact driver, this is the one. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.